Welcome back to another video, guys. Yeah, you read the title correct. Got some really bad news. Got Regan back from Kristen Mechanic. Had it back a matter of 2 days. I did 220 miles in the car. I picked it up the Saturday morning, took it out and about. It was driving phenomenal. Could you not feel it, brimmed it with fuel, and was just driving it just to run it in kind of thing. Drove it all around Saturday, drove it around Sunday, and the car did not hiccup once. Got to Sunday evening and I went to the gym and I was driving to see my granddad, and I was going along and the car started making a god awful ticking noise. So I pulled out straight, killed the engine, bottom end failure. You can't make this stuff up, guys. Just had the head rebuilt, new valves, springs, guides, timing chain kit, fuel injectors, spark plugs, service, everything that car got apart from the bottom end, because the bottom end was fine until the bottom end wasn't fine and it went. So that's where we're at the minute. I'll get Charlie Edison to put a video in of the noise the car was making. Yeah, my Audi that had catastrophic engine failure has got catastrophic engine failure again. So yeah, I don't know where we go from here. I'm not sure whether I'm going to break the car or sell it as spares, or I might be fixing it. I'm not too sure. Put in the comments below what you think I should do, but it's not looking good. We've got bottom end knock, which is at worst a crankshaft, bottom end bearings and rod bearings. If not, we've got worse damage. So we need to go from there really and see how we get on. But yeah, boom. It's horrible, isn't it? That is it. Sounds healthy. As you can see, got the blackout in the background. I've had it recovered. Yeah, just spent a god awful amount of money on it, as you all know, and she's poorly. She's very, very poorly. I've taken the rotor alloy wheels off and put a set of BBS speed lines that I got on, a genuine set of BBS speed lines that I got for a silly cheap price. Went down to New Forest the other day to pick them up. Got them. They do need a refurb, but I'm selling the rotors because I've been offered a really good amount of money for them. I've just got these on for moving it around at the minute. The engine is making a god awful noise. It's either knocking or tapping, but it does not sound right at all. I'm not sure. Got a guy coming to look at it today to kind of tell me what he thinks and what's going on. I've kind of at my wit's end with this car, to be honest with you. I've spent that much money on it. I've been so patient trying to get it on the road, and it's just gone straight in my face. So not sure. It's such a good looking car and it's so fast, but I just can't. From a financial standpoint, I can't keep throwing money at it. Doesn't make sense. It's stupid. So yeah, it's a cool car. It's a really cool car. But yeah, I'll let you know how I get on and that. But yeah, that is my Audi A3 Black Edition S-Line 2-litre TFSI DSG with catastrophic engine failure. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, we've got a familiar face back on the channel. Leon's back. Forgot to tell you all. There she is. She's cleaned her the other day. She's had a new turbo. She had the sump off, pickup pipe cleaned. She's ready for sale, boy. So just waiting for her to get a bite and then she'll be gone. But yeah, she's looking lovely. The colour's amazing. It's, yeah, I like this car. So low mileage, 67k on the clock. She starts on the key. She's lovely. Done. On the key. Out it should be. Typical VW Audi diesel. Yes, it's a 1.6. They're not the best, but on the key. Really like that car. Yeah. So the Leon's back in my life, and I'm just waiting for it to sell, basically. The Audi is knackered. Funny how the cookie crumbles, it really is. But yeah, the Leon's back in my life. Got the Leon back from Joe. Joe, thank you, mate. It's driving nice. Got a few issues to sort out with it. Boost pipe's come off, so I've got to put the boost pipe back on, and it's way too fast for what it is, so I need to get it mapped back to standard. It's been mapped up and it's quick. For a 1.6 diesel, it flies. So yeah, that's where we're at the minute. Got to get the black Audi sorted. I put a few videos in that, but it's not where I wanted to be really. I'm 5 steps back, so it's put me in a really bad place. So got to sort it out, but it's not going to be easy. And then obviously the Leon's up for sale already, so hopefully get a sale on that. In April we move forward. Hopefully we move quite quickly forwards, because I've got places I want to be. So yeah, thank you all for watching and that, and staying subscribed and liking the videos. Like I said, I said to you all, stay consistent. Every Wednesday at 6 o'clock now. I just couldn't keep up the twice a week uploads. The content wasn't good enough, so I just can't do it. I'd rather make one good video than 2 okay videos. So, but yeah, thank you all for staying with me and that, and enjoying the content. If you want to see anything in the videos, put in the comment section below. And if not, follow me on Instagram at HarleyBrown10. Make sure you keep watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Hit post notifications. Not far away from 300 subscribers. I know we're about 70 subscribers away, but that will come around quickly enough if you all keep on it. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Boom.